the Silicon Valley for textiles in Taiwan. Taiwan's textile industry is equipped with comprehensive industrial clusters and an integrated supply chain from upstream to downstream segments actively engaged in global deployment. It provides flexible production, quick responses, and customized services. Known internationally for its innovative technology, Taiwan's textile industry not only implements strict product inspection and quality control and practices sustainability, but also strives toward automation and intelligentization. Thus, Taiwan can be called the Silicon Valley for textiles. With abundant innovative R&D capacity and designability, Taiwan's plentiful textile talents and teams are fully capable of generating creative ideas and developing multi-application products. Taiwan is an indispensable partner for international brands. Climate change has damaged the global environment. Practical actions are taken by the industry to protect nature, conserve resources, and reduce pollution. Recycle and reuse practices are employed to create circular models for sustainable, continuous development. With the development of IoT and AI, Taiwan's high-tech advantages are incorporated to keep in step with Industry 4.0. In wearable smart textiles, to enhance buyers' experiences and create a new smart and healthy lifestyle, AR and VR interactive technologies are utilized. Athleisure and fashion, outdoor and sports, home and lifestyle, medical and protective, technical and industrial. Taiwan offers a multitude of textiles for a variety of applications to meet the needs of a diversity of lifestyles. Taiwan's textile industry will continue to innovate, research, and develop green and functional products and build sustainable value chains to create endless possibilities for the comfort of our lives. Taiwan, the new Silicon Valley of the global textile industry.
Ladies and gentlemen, friends online from all around the world, welcome to join us at 2021 ISPO Munich Online Masterclass, Product Launch of Sustainable Textile Innovation, organized by Taiwan Textile Federation, TTF. My name is Angela Liu, your MC for today's event. We are a non-profit organization commissioned by Taiwan's Bureau of Foreign Trade, Ministry of Economic Affairs, and one of our very important projects, TEPP, is to select premium textile companies from Taiwan and assist them to promote their innovative products to the international market through trade missions, exhibitions, and product launches. And over the years, Taiwan's textile industry has become a trusted partner of international brands with its diverse talent pool and innovative R&D capacity. For functional textiles, we have established Taiwan Functional Textiles Certification by experts from the industry, government, academic, and research institutes. This system provides standards for functional textiles to help overseas buyers and consumers identify the quality of MIT products. In today's program, several textile companies from Taiwan will be presenting, and all of them top-notch members in the industry. Here with us, we have Sam and Amber, textile designers from Eclat. Tino, Sales and Marketing Director from Grand Textile. And Alex, Product Manager from Zig Sheng. They will share with us their latest functional textiles, as well as the preparations and changes that they have made for this uncertain time under the pandemic. And during the presentation today, you're welcome to submit your questions or comments by scanning the QR code on the screen. We will be collecting these questions and then invite the speakers to answer them during our Q&A session in the end. The first company presenting today is Eclat Textile Co. Limited. Eclat is a textile company that specializes, develops, and designs functional athletic materials and apparel. Today, we have textile designers Sam and Amber here with us to tell us about their new product lines AEROJAQ, and SOFTFORM. Let's now hand the floor to Sam.
Hello, I'm Sam, and this is Amber. We're part of the Eclat Textile Development Team. At Eclat, one of our core values is to develop materials with purpose. Now let's have a look at our video.
Before the darkness falls, there's a challenge you and I must take on. But time is short. Will it be our friend or obstacle?
We have so much to discuss because sometimes when others hear absurdity, we sense possibilities. Where others see stubbornness, we feel determination. If our correspondence measure in depth, we might spot an opportunity among the risks.
The only thing certain is that at every critical turn, there is a chance of inspiration for us to create something new.
Time has provided us with much experience and discipline. It's our longest ally. But like I said, we don't have much time. Today, we're gonna have to fight it.
Whether your idea is solid or imagined, minimal or complex, small or large.
We'll make precision manufacturing out of casual imaginations. But before the night falls, we must find your brilliance.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Hi, I'm Amber.
Eclat SOFTFORM is the most important development we are doing this year.
So, SOFTFORM, can you tell us more about it?
Yes, of course. So Eclat SOFTFORM is a high-performance material with an incredibly refined softness and a lean process.
What does a lean process mean?
A lean process means a more simplified production process. By only going through 3 steps of finishing process, when in prior you had to go through 5 steps. More simplified production process can not only conserve energy, but also reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This also echoes our obligation to reduce our impact on the environment.
Wow, that sounds really incredible.
It really is. Here are some fabrics from our SOFTFORM collection this year. You can feel the different fabrics and different textures.
Well, I just noticed that. I think these fabrics, they're without spandex. Am I correct?
Yes, exactly. So even without spandex, the fabrics are naturally flexible due to its distinct coil-like structure created through technical development. Fabrics with elastic fiber have a much shorter life cycle. So with this kind of yarn, the life cycle of a product is greatly lengthened without reducing its quality or functionality.
So is there any other benefit from it?
Yes, of course. Mixed materials are also a huge problem in the garment recycling process. Fabrics that contain elastic fibers cannot be recycled, so they are destined for landfill.
Well, I have to say, all of this product, they feel soft and comfortable. However, this one has a cotton-like texture. And this one feels like wool, so they are completely different.
So Amber, I know you are part of the design team.
Yes, we have an in-house design team specialized in digital jacquard design. Our designers are not only skilled at digital jacquard design, but they also have the technical knowledge to support all kinds of situations related to construction. Our vertical design approach, from material to design and then to meat, it's what sets us apart within the industry. With this kind of knowledge background, we're able to think outside of the box about design and construction. And this is how we create AEROJAQ.
Can you tell me more about AEROJAQ?
Of course. AEROJAQ is our new patent. It is designed to release moisture away from the body. The yarn was engineered to aid cooling. For example, the inner yarn carries the moisture from the skin onto the outer yarn, so it allows for a natural evaporation. Therefore, AEROJAQ is capable of quick dry and moisture control.
So could you show me some AEROJAQ products?
Of course. Let's have a look at the blue one first. This one is created with a special yarn, resulting in a subtle shine and a silky look. And the gray one, this one with a linen look, has a cotton-like texture. So in Eclat, we're able to play with yarn and jacquard techniques, which it brings out complete different hand feel and appearance. AEROJAQ is really about the combination between jacquard and construction.
So what is Eclat's next step in the future?
Well, because the ongoing pandemic, there has been huge change in lifestyle and exercising. For Eclat, we have been rethinking and evaluating the way we used to do things. We understand how important it is to reduce damage to our planet. So we're working on projects such as purifying raw materials and using less water dyeing to pave the road forward a more sustainable future.
And thank you for the introduction from Eclat. For the next company, we have BenQ Materials Corporation. Today, their product development specialists will tell us about their high performance and sustainable textile, XPORE. Let's hear it from BenQ.
Hi, I'm Chen Yun.
Hi, I'm Qu.
Today, I would like to introduce our XPORE membrane technology from BenQ Materials.
BenQ Materials, aren't you guys making monitors and TVs?
Yes, we do make those products, but now we apply our experience in electronics industry to performance textile. As a matter of fact, we launched our XPORE brand in ISPO 2020.
Oh, I have seen XPORE. You were nominated in many awards on tech trends, especially Best Product.
Yeah, actually, this fabric is the one that won the award, OD-A09. Look how cool it is.
The fabric uses solution dye technique to produce yarn in different colors. Also, we use jacquard weaving method to build patterns and create visual effects. We not only have strong capability to develop textiles, but also possess XPORE technology to add values up to each fabric. XPORE follows the 5R principles of sustainability when developing the products. All of our products are 100% PFCs free. PFCs free are harmful materials, and they are also known as Teflon. XPORE's manufacturing process is entirely solvent-free, minimizing negative effects on the environment and human body. Each one of our products is designed with sustainability in mind. There's a very easy way to test which fabric is truly breathable. First, prepare 2 containers, XPORE fabric and competitor's fabric, and some hot water. Put the fabric in the cups and pour the hot water in it. You will see the bubbles coming through the XPORE fabric, which means it is truly breathable, and the air circulation is good. And now take a look at this one. There is nothing happen. This is how you test which fabric is truly breathable at home. At the core of XPORE technology is a layer of unique ultra-thin membrane with 10 billion nanopores in every square inch. The pores are 20,000 times smaller than water droplets, so they perfectly block the rain. But they are large enough for perspiration vapor and airflow to pass through. This is how XPORE technology reaches true breathability and keep things dry and comfortable as you achieve more.
XPORE aims to reduce damages to the environment in both materials used and processes conducted. Comparing to PTFE materials, which generates hydrogen fluoride, and polyurethane materials that generates hydrogen cyanide during manufacturing process, XPORE will not produce any of these harmful gases in production stage. 30% of XPORE membrane materials will be replaced by recycled materials in 2024. Our factory in Yunlin, Taiwan, will soon acquire the Blue Sign certificate in February 2021. This factory is equipped with solar panels which reduce around 1,000 tons of carbon dioxide emission each year. XPORE is a part of a leading electronics company, BenQ Materials, in Taiwan. Quality control is our top priority. We set the standards for our fabrics as strict as we do in electronics. XPORE's laboratory was certified by Taiwan Accreditation Foundation. We have equipment to test the peel strength, water resistance, breathability, martindale wear meter, bending resistance, and washing capabilities. We even established a rain and storm room to test finished products. At BenQ Materials, environmental sustainability is at the core of everything we do. The management of greenhouse gases, energy usage, and emissions control is an integral part of all our factories. We have also committed to developing automated processes that improve manufacturing efficiency and eco-friendliness.
The name of XPORE originated from explore and pour. We want people to feel comfortable and have a whole new breathable experience when they are out in the nature. Most importantly, we want people to know by using XPORE products, they can help to reduce the burden of our beautiful earth.
We want more consumers to know XPORE is a greener solution on the market. With XPORE, you can stay dry and feel comfortable without harming the environment. We welcome everyone who is interested in our brand to contact us. Let's bring more positive impact to the world together.
And that was the introduction from BenQ Materials. Next up, we have Eclat Textile Co Limited. Eclat Textile is specialized in woven and knits performance fabrics for sportswear, outdoor clothing, and base layer. Today, they will share with us their latest technology and product line, Color Max. Sales and Marketing Director Tino is here with us today. Let's welcome Tino.
Thank you, Angela. And schönen guten Abend nach Deutschland. Hey everyone, my name is Tino. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director here in Eclat Textile, which was established in 1986. Our headquarters is located in Taipei, Taiwan. Our factories are located in Taipei, Taiwan, and also in Vietnam. As Angela mentioned already, we are specialized in woven and knits performance fabrics. And now you can enjoy our video.
Hi, my name is Tino, and I'm the Sales and Marketing Director here in Eclat Textile. In 2016, we decided to build a brand new factory in Vietnam. And in the early beginning of 2019, we opened one of its kind factories. When we decided to build a new factory in Vietnam, our mission was to reduce the impact on the environment during the production of fabrics as much as possible. Also, we need to find a solution that helps us to reduce the waste of fresh water and protect the nature. The biggest problem in the dyeing process is that the water is contaminated with chemicals. A normal way would be add chemicals to remove some chemicals. Then the water is still contaminated and not usable for the dyeing procedure again. That's why we decided to be the first in this industry in Vietnam to open a factory with a closed loop system. We know already it won't be easy and a normal factory would be much more cheaper. But our decision was done because of our responsibility for Mother Earth and for our children's cleaner future. After the biochemical and physical wastewater treatment, we pump the still not reusable water in 5 different pores and allow Mother Nature to help us filter the water. The procedure normally takes 14 to 20 days until in the last pore we have so fresh water that there are living fish, shrimp and crab inside, and then we can use the water again. Every pore is a different biological habitat and living different microorganisms which help us to filter the water. This facility has a capacity of 9,000 tons and even a second one is built underneath in case of an emergency. We also collect rainwater which is recycled through gutters and reservoir and then pumped into the system again. For our energy source in Vietnam, we decided to use biomass. First, it's carbon neutral, and second, it's available in big quantities for the reason that Vietnam is an agricultural country. We use rice husk, bagasse, and also coffee husk. The next step we choose to be more sustainable is that we use more recycled PAS yarn. In 2020, we have produced 8 million yards of recycled polyfabrics. This is an increase of nearly 80% compared with 2019. Another fact is all of our chemicals are approved by Bluesign. And now you can see our facility in Vietnam.
The history of textile fabrics is a symbol of humanity's relentless drive to reimagine what is possible. Grand Textile, with 30 years of innovation in functional fabrics and a dedication in environmental protection, has helped to achieve a new sustainable manufacturing standard in the textile industry. Our success has been driven by a transformation to a fully integrated vertical operation, starting with weaving, dyeing, finishing, and follow up with superior professional customer services. The Vietnam and Taiwan factories feature strict controls for every process, dramatically improving quality, speed, and high flexibility within product development. Our monthly capacity has been scaled up to 5 million yards of knit fabrics and 4 million yards of woven fabrics. It includes world-class post-treatment technologies, digital direct printing, lamination, peaching, brushing, and other capabilities such as interlacing, coating, sublimation print, and more. Our continuous investment in R&D lays a solid foundation for competitiveness and product innovation. From customized product development and design to new technology on the market, we relentlessly pursue innovation so the fabrics delivered to our customers truly stand out from the competition. We've also developed superior after-sales services into a critical part of our offering, aiming to provide maximum customer satisfaction. With our highly professional sales team, we help assisting material sourcing find the right material to use in the final product. We are relentless in our pursuit of quality and our desire to drive the industry forward. We constantly reinvent our production process to deliver customer expectations. While always pushing for higher efficiency production, we do it with a deep sense of responsibility for our environment. In the dyeing and finishing process, 100% of the chemicals used are low-impact chemicals that are approved by environmental health and safety organizations. Our modernized production base in Vietnam, with the first artificial wetland in synthetic textile production, demonstrates our care for the environment, aiming to achieve a closed-loop, zero-discharge wastewater system. As a global citizen, we go beyond fulfilling our corporate social responsibilities. We set an example and strive to drive the industry towards a greener future. We believe steady growth and sustainability must go hand in hand. So as we expand manufacturing capacity, we always consider the impact on the environment. Looking into the future, we commit to smart manufacturing, enhanced competitiveness, tightening bonds with our business partners, further driving innovation to elevate what is possible in textiles.
Today I also brought one of our specialties. This fabric received an award from the ISPO team as best product for fall/winter. It's a nylon spandex woven fabric with a combination of different yarns and our patented color mix finish. Because of the different yarns in the face side of the fabric, the color during the dyeing process will be absorbed differently, and the result is a unique pattern and a color combination. For now, the color mix is exclusively made in Taiwan. In this special year where business trips are nearly impossible, we will provide customers and those who are interested in our products an online catalog. You can find this catalog on the homepage. The link is also in the description. So for all of you who are interested to know more about Grand Textile, what we offer and how we make the process of creating fabrics a little bit more greener, go to the homepage. There you will find a lot of information about us. Grand Textile, we just don't make, we create.
And thank you very much, Tino, for the introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, so far we have heard the introductions from 3 top-notch Taiwanese textile companies. And now moving on to the Q&A session. Due to our time constraint, our staff have selected a few questions for the companies. Please allow me to first read out these questions, and then we would invite the speakers to answer them. So first of all, we have received 2 questions for Eclat. And the first one is about AEROJAQ. The question says, how has AEROJAQ been received by brands? Amber, can you share with us?
Yes, we are proud that many active brands have seen the value in our AEROJAQ, and now they are on board with us to increase the value in their product. And it also helps the customers to understand more about them. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Amber. The next question is about SOFTFORM, and the question says, is SOFTFORM limited to a specific season? Sam?
Absolutely not. We started the SOFTFORM collection with the idea of a soft handle carried throughout every product of the SOFTFORM collection. Since then, we have expanded our usage of special yarns to create a variety of different textures and thicknesses, applicable for every season and fit to our customers' different needs.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the further explanation. Next, we have some questions for Grand Textile. And the question is, so under the COVID-19 pandemic, how have you solved the issue of not able to go to exhibitions? And also, has COVID-19 affected your business? Tino, can you share with us?
Sure. If you can't attend any exhibition, you need to increase the brand awareness. And therefore, we created a brand new homepage where you can find all the information about Grand Textile, about our history, about the innovations we can provide. And also, for our fabrics, we created a brand new online catalog. This one you can find also on our homepage. In this catalog, you can find all the new fabrics, all the new innovations, and all the sustainable fabrics we are producing here in Taiwan and in Vietnam. And when COVID reached, or when COVID hit, all the PPE supplies worldwide was on short. And that's when some of our customers reached out to us and asked us, are you able to source PPE equipment for us? And what should I say? We were able to source PPE equipment like masks and protective gowns and send it to our customer and help them. And also, we invented and developed a filter. This filter can be inserted in any kind of closed mask. This filter has an efficiency to block the virus of 99.9%. That's nothing we stated. We got approval. This filter is approved by Nelson Lab. And the best part, this filter is also washable. This filter is washable up to 30 times, and it still blocks the virus. So it's sustainable and protective.
Wow, that looks like a really good product. And also with all the information digitalized, people can learn about your company more easily and more effectively. Thank you very much, Tino, and thank you once again to Sam and Amber for answering the questions for us. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our online product launch today. Thank you very much for joining in. To learn more about Taiwan's textile products, please subscribe and follow our live streaming and rerun on TTF's YouTube channel. You can simply scan the QR code on the screen and join right away. For any questions or further inquiries, please contact us through our brand room. We will now take a 1-minute break, and when we come back, we will have another mini session of new product launch. Stay with us. Please scan the QR code on the screen to connect to TTF's YouTube channel. Stay tuned, and we will see you right after this short break. Okay, so we have received another question from our audience, and this one is for Amber from Eclat. And the question is, hi Amber, can your fabrics be used in footwear? Amber, can you share with us?
Yes. Well, I'm afraid not, because our company, Eclat, specializes in garments, specializes in textiles for garments only. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And we will now take a look at our video. To stay with us, please scan the QR code on the screen to connect to TTF's YouTube channel. Stay tuned, and we will see you right after this short break, after the video. Thank you. Welcome back, everyone, to join us at the product launch of Sustainable Textile Innovation, organized by Taiwan Textile Federation, TTF. In this mini session, we will introduce the latest product line from Zig Sheng Industrial, a manufacturer specialized in functional and pattern yarns. They will share with us their recycled fishing net nylon yarn. Product manager Alex will tell us all about it. Let's now hand the floor to Alex.
Thank you, Angela. As you mentioned, Zig Sheng is a nylon producer based in Taipei, Taiwan, specializing in functional and patterned yarns. Right now, we are dedicated to creating products at the intersection of innovation and sustainability. And today, given the increasing interest in recycled products, Zig Sheng is happy to present more information about our fishing net recycled nylon yarn. Please enjoy the following video about our product.
Hi, my name's Alex, and I'm here to tell you about recycled fishing net nylon yarn at Zig Sheng Industrial. Zig Sheng Industrial is a specialized manufacturer of functional and patterned yarns based in Taipei, Taiwan. Fishing net recycled nylon yarn is part of our effort to create a product at the intersection of innovation and sustainability. Our recycled yarn also includes 100% pre-consumer recycled nylon, 100% post-consumer recycled polyester, and nylon yarn. This is a windbreaker made from the recycled fishing net nylon that I'm going to tell you about today. There's a robust fishing industry in South and Central Taiwan. The island has an abundance of fishing nets, but they're often lost or discarded in the ocean. A report found that these abandoned, lost, or discarded fishing nets, also known as ghost gear, make up 10% of the plastic waste in our oceans. This is equal to 640,000 tons of plastic or 50,000 double-decker buses. Ghost gear pollutes marine environments, threatens marine life, and hampers transportation safety at sea. These nets can even compete with commercial fishermen for their catch. For example, octopi caught by ghost traps along the Japanese coast were equal to or double the number of octopus landings in the fishery. That means that ghost gear is stealing some of the calamari from your plate. Zig Sheng created recycled fishing net yarn to reduce the amount of ghost gear in our oceans. Recycled fishing nets are a sustainable raw material that can reduce marine pollution, protect marine environments, and improve safety at sea. The production chain also leads to job creation at recycling centers and fosters a circular economy in the textile and apparel industry. And in addition, less ghost gear means more calamari that you'll be eating for lunch. As you saw in the first clip, We apply our vertical production model to the manufacture of yarn made from recycled fishing net. Each batch of our recycled fishing net is sourced from suppliers that provide proof of GRS certification. The process begins with the recycling plants that collect used fishing nets from ports around Taiwan. The recycling plants rinse and compress the recycled fishing nets into bales and send them to our factories. And then our factories clean and melt the recycled fishing net to produce recycled nylon chips that look like this. And then we extrude these chips made from recycled fishing net to produce flat yarns, DTY, and ATY. The composition of our fishing net recycled nylon yarn is made from 30% of the recycled fishing net and 70% virgin nylon. You'll notice that the yarn itself, the grayish fabric too, can carry a bit of a green hue, although if necessary we can correct the color by producing a dope-dyed optical white version made with the same 30% recycled fishing net, 65% virgin nylon, and a 5% master batch. Recycled fishing net yarn is an important part of sustainable innovation at Zig Sheng. Our fishing net recycling process will help to reduce marine pollution, protect marine environments, and improve safety at sea. This will also foster a circular economy in the textile and apparel industries. Thank you so much for your time.
And thank you, Alex, for the explicit sharing. We do have received a couple of questions from our audience. And the first question says, can you tell us more about the specifications and lead times for your fishing net recycled nylon? Alex?
Sure, I'd be happy to. Our fishing net recycled nylon is available in anything from 40 to 400 denier, and the lead time for the project is 60 days.
Thank you. The second question says, what is the composition of your fishing net recycled nylon yarn?
The original fishing net recycled nylon is made of 30% recycled fishing net and 70% virgin nylon. And we also offer an optical white version made with the same 30% recycled nylon, 65% virgin nylon, and a 5% master batch for color correction. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Alex, for your further explanation. And ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our live streaming today. Thank you very much for tuning in. We hope through today's program you have learned more about these excellent textile companies from Taiwan. Thank you once again. We wish you good health and all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you and good day. Bye.
Bye.